Alright, hey everyone, today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Airpods to an Android phone. Alright, so let's get started. On your Android phone, what you want to do is go to apps, and we're going to access the primary settings. So go to settings, and then under settings we'll go to connections, and then under connections you will see Bluetooth. Go ahead and power that on from there. Alright, you can always rewind the video. Alright, so it's going to search for a while, then it'll stop. Now with your AirPods, the first step you want to do is, of course, open up the lid over here. And behind the case itself for the AirPods, there's this little button right there. You can make it out. You're going to hold that down until you see the little LED light in the middle go white, and it's going to be blinking white. So hold it down and continue holding it down until it starts flashing this white light. Alright, that means your AirPods are now in pairing mode, and that's what you want to do. You want to manually enter it into pairing mode. I hope I didn't close that out. Alright, so make sure it's still blinking white, and then on your Android phone, go back and scan again. So you're going to scan one more time until you see AirPods show up, and there you go. Once you see it appear, go ahead and tap on that one time, and it's going to pair for you, and it's going to stay connected to media and audio. And that's basically it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.